Welcome to my channel. This is my next session. Let us see some more MCQs in the case of block diagram reduction. So, this is the first question. Consider the following block diagram, right? So, in the block diagram, we have some options. Option number 1, and in the summing point, we have the summing in cases of plus and minus. And option number 2, there is plus and plus. Option number 3, there is plus minus. And option number 4, plus and plus, right? And this is the transfer function which obtained from the following block diagram. Which of these block diagram can be reduced to the above transfer function? So what we well know that if the feedback is positive, right, we obtain the transfer function output as negative, right? In these two cases, here the option 2 has the feedback positive and option 4 has the feedback positive, right? So the answer is option 2 and 4. Generally, without any simplification, from the provided option, you can simply select the option as B. Option B as the answer by means of the feedback plus and plus. If the feedback is positive, generally we write the transfer function as G of S by 1 minus G of S into H of S. This is according to the rule number 3, right? So without any simplification, by seeing the option itself, we are able to identify the option as 2 and 4 are the answer for the provided transfer function, right? This is one question. And let's see another MCQ in the case of a Mason-Gain formula, right? We have discussed many things about the Mason-Gain formula. Mason-Gain formula, generally speaking, it is otherwise known as the signal flow graph. And from the Mason-Gain formula, the MCQ for the question number 2 is Mason rule is applied to. The options are signal flow graph, block diagram reduction technique, option C, hydraulic system, option D is rotational system. Signal flow graph is otherwise known as the Mason rule, right? So the answer is A. Mason-Gain rule is applied to signal flow graph, right? And the third question. Third question, here there is a signal flow graph. Here this is one node and there is another node. This is another node and this is another node, and finally the output C. The question is, consider the following statement with regards to signal flow graph. The statements are, number 1 is, the number of pole loops are 3, number of loops are 2, number of forward paths are 3, and the C by R ratio. C by R ratio is nothing but transfer function output is 40 divided by 81, and number 5 is C by R ratio is 28 divided by 81. The correct answer for this is option B, 1, 3, 4. How will we get this answer? From the option, the answers are number of loops are 3. Yes, the number of loops are 3. How will we identify the number of loops? The number of loops may be identified by the loop starting from one node and moving to the another node, and it returns to the same node is said to be as the loop. And number of forward path is 3. Number of forward path is 3. So we have the number of forward paths also 3. Forward path is identified by the signal forward arrowhead signal. And if we solve this by the Mason-Gain formula, we obtain the C by R ratio as C by R is equal to 40 divided by 81. So the correct option is nothing but, the correct option is the option C, right? We obtain only 2 forward paths, 2 loops. So 2, 3 and 4 are the correct statement. The answer for question number 3 is option C, right? We get only the 2 loops and 3 forward paths. C by R ratio was 40 divided by 81. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.